Hello and welcome to Oldham Volkswagen. My name is Charlotte and today we'll be taking around this approved used Volkswagen vehicle. Introducing the 2024 model Volkswagen Polo MK6 Life that is fresh in stock. It does come complemented in the classic yet desired deep black pearl paintwork. Alongside housing your 1-litre TSI engine, it is the ideal nippy city upgrade for any individuals. Alongside your handy manual transmission, top features do include enhanced visibility with your auto LED headlights, stylish 15-inch alloys, and the added protection of your power folding wing mirrors. The boot offers plenty of space for daily essentials, whilst the cloth upholstery offers comfort all round with access to your central power outlets. Moving into the front, you do have your multifunctional leather steering wheel for further style and convenience, with access to your central touch display and again your full cloth trim. For seamless navigation around the vehicle, you do have your various audio controls on the steering wheel, with the options to navigate around your digital cockpit, displaying all of your vital driving data and various audio. And when you are out on the open road, you do also have the added convenience of your adaptive cruise and limiter features. This is followed on your central display by your variation of radio stations to keep you well entertained, alongside your app connect that does come compatible with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You do of course have your on-screen vehicle information to easily keep an eye on the overall condition, alongside further safety features with your IQ Drive. This is followed just below by your main climate options, handy charging pocket, and of course your central cup holders. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video at all. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.